Hi folks, today I'm going to do a review on the W dripper. I'm going to show you how to re-wick one and set one up. I've only ever done it once and it's worked perfectly, but I'll strip it down and redo it. I've got the liquidies absinthe from Go for Smoke. They've asked me if I'd try it. I've tried one or two other absinthes and they've been okay, so I said I'd give it a go. Right, we'll move in close on the device. First of all, I'm too tight to buy a stand, so that's me Sigelli 19 with my Aga T2 Plus. If I take my Aga off, pop it on the stand, unscrew the end off, take the adjustable pin out, and I've got a stand. So I'll screw my W on, take the tip out, take the top off. It is a fingerprint magnet, but it's a beautiful little dripper. I only set it up on one coil, but you can set it up double coil. There's various ways. So what we'll do is undo the screws, lift the coil up. That's a coil, the old one. If you bear with me, I'll just go and wash it and clean it. Right, all I'm going to do now is take a piece of mechanical wire. I'm going to flame it. Flaming it makes it softer and takes the springiness out of it. I'm a Yorkshireman, so I don't take mine off the roll. I wrap what I need and then I don't waste any. So, the wire's ready. This is a 2mm and I think that's 12 inches. So what I'll do is make a nice little length. Maybe a tiny bit more. I like it so I can pack it all in. So what we'll do is out with the scissors, find where we doubled it, away with the spare. So I've got a tiny screwdriver here to stick there underneath, and take my wire, leave myself about an inch, line them up and then wind. There you go. I think I'll just give it another one wrap. Okay, and we'll cut the wire. So now I've ended up coil there. I can slide my screwdriver out, just tighten them up ever so slightly, straighten it. Now on the base you've 3 screws. You've 2 earths on the outside and the centre post is alive, and you pass it through the little holes in the posts. Pass the earth one in first because it's just slightly longer, then the live one, and there you go. Pull them in tight. You don't want them touching the deck or touching the base, so we'll just pull them in quite tight. Tighten the screws up. Won't tighten them fully tight because we'll have a look at it first, just to nip them. So we'll have a look at the coil. Oh, very nice and untidy. So I'll just use my tiny screwdriver. Lift it up off the deck. Tighten the centre post up slightly. Yeah. So we'll lock it off and then we're going to give it a try. A little twist. There you go. And if you just give me a second, I'll just adjust it. Right, all I've done is just gently straighten the coil. It's not very neat, but I'm going to tuck the tail in there. There we go. The other bit will come around the other side of the post, so I'm going to pop it onto the probe area and see what the resistance reading is. So it's alright. .4 ohms. I'll just try dry firing it. Turn the voltage up. Sorry, not watching. I'll just leave it at 3.4. I'll just put some juice on just to wet it. Also, when you wet the wick, it stays in place a lot easier until it's bedded itself in. So we've got on the wick there. So we'll just give it a try and see what it does. It's slow, but it's building its resistance up. Right, so we'll take that off. I'm going to try it on something very nice that has just landed today. And it's Mark Buggs, Wizard's Apprentice. Serial number 18. At the minute I've got my UD AGT, a small titanium, and it's super smooth is the ring, and the touch control is actually super sensitive. That's an 18650 mod, and that's a Pro Vary. If I put it against the Segele, if I just assemble a Segele, take the UD off, that's Mark Buggs, that's a Segele. They take exactly the same batteries, but that's an awful lot thinner, narrower, shorter, beautiful device. So we'll connect the Ago W up and we'll try it for a vape. There we go, screwed on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop some juice in. That's 10 drops. This easily takes 1 mil. Right, and we'll have a try. The flavour is really intense. That's absolutely corking. And as you can hear, you should be able to hear, it fires every time. It's just as though you've had a drink and you've just exhaled after swallowing. It's absolutely superb. That's the Ago W, folks. Pop the wick back on. We'll try it on a Ego. This is just a 1000 Ego battery. Make sure we're turned on, yeah. Sorry for that, I tried it on the Ego battery and it's a very unpleasant smoke. It hits you on the back of the throat, it's producing no vapour and it's not very good. So I shall try it on my favourite little device. Eagle 19. Polished the top end. Oh, sorry folks, I need to screw the pin back in. There we go. We'll try it on that. Very strong on that. Sorry for that again. The reason why it wasn't smoking very well, I hadn't screwed the live down, the centre post. So we'll try again. The flavour is absolutely excellent. That's the Segelli 19 350 mode. We'll try it on the Pro Vari now. All the devices I'm using today are all in 18 350 mode. Superb. I'll try it back on my Mark books. I'm very impressed with that. It's the first time I've used it on film. It only landed this morning about 10 o'clock. I just put a battery in and tried it. I have to say that hits a lot harder than any of the others. It's a fraction of the size. That's against a Segelli, and that's with its dripper on. You're talking 3-4 mil compared to the Pro Vari, complete with dripper. I even have I think it's a Maxi clone, which is quite a short one, but for the size it hits harder than any of the others. A lovely juice. Thank you Tony and Claire and Rob, absolutely excellent. Thanks for watching.